Is it time to buy or sell SOXL ETF? In this video, we will explore SOXL in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on the 4th of November, 2024, and we are now here to offer you an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You won't want to miss any critical updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by utilizing our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, available at StockInvest.us. Harness the capabilities of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analyses for any one of 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please be aware that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 30th of October, 2024, our system has identified SOXL as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -3.61. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has recorded a loss of 10.73%. This results in an average daily loss of 2.68% since it was designated as a sell candidate. The exchange-traded fund is currently positioned within a broad and modest upward trend in the short term, indicating a likelihood of further increases within this trend. The existing 3-month trend indicates a possible change of approximately 2.73% over the coming 3 months, with potential returns ranging from -9.71% to +44.31%. In terms of the 12-month trend, it points to an anticipated change of 20.39% over the next 12 months, with potential returns between 10.94% and 188.27%. This translates to a price range between $33.68 and $87.52 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for SOXL includes the headline: SOXL ETF price ended at $30.36 on Monday after losing 1.52%. The SOXL ETF price fell by 1.52% on the last day, Monday the 4th of November, 2024, from $30.83 to $30.36. During the last trading day, the ETF fluctuated 5.53%, reaching a low of $30.01 and a high of $31.67. The price has been experiencing volatility during this period, contributing to a loss of 13.48% over the last 2 weeks. Trading volume decreased on the last day along with the ETF price, which is generally a positive indicator, as volume should align with price movements. On the last day, trading volume fell by 20 million shares, with a total of 59 million shares exchanged for approximately $1.78 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $70.08, while the lowest price was $17.73. Currently, the price is 56.68%, or $39.72, below the 52-week high, and 91.97%, or $347.88, below the all-time high reached on the 26th of November, 2020, when the price was $378.24. The Direction Daily Semiconductor Bull 3x Shares Exchange Traded Fund, known as SOXL, has recently gained attention due to its significant volatility and remarkable historical performance. From late October 2023 to July 2024, SOXL produced nearly a 400% return. However, shareholders have faced challenges since, with values significantly reduced since July's peak. Despite an astounding 2,085% increase over the past decade and 186% over the last 5 years, technical concerns and a high valuation have prompted insider selling, indicating potential caution among investors. As semiconductor sales have surged, driven by strong demand from cloud computing and artificial intelligence technologies, the broader semiconductor industry has thrived, as reflected in an 80% rise in the S&P 500 Semiconductors Index this year. While this raises bullish sentiment, the recent volatility of SOXL may deter risk-averse investors who prefer steadier returns, especially when compared to less leveraged alternatives such as SOXX. Looking ahead, the upcoming earnings reports from key players like Intel and AMD could further impact SOXL's stock price, complicating the landscape. The interaction between high demand for chips and potential profit-taking behaviors amid recent broader market trends will play crucial roles in SOXL's short and long-term trajectory. Stakeholders will need to weigh the ETF's high-risk nature against its potential for outsized gains in a technology-focused environment. The following signals have been identified for SOXL. Currently, there are few to no positive technical signals. The SOXL exchange-traded fund exhibits sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a more negative outlook for the stock. Additionally, a general sell signal arises from the relationship between these two averages, with the long-term average positioned above the short-term average. In the event of upward corrections, there will be resistance at levels of $33.41 and $35.21. A breakout above either of these levels would generate buy signals. A sell signal emerged from a pivot top point on Monday, the 14th of October, in the year 2024, and since then, the price has declined by 25.62%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, there is presently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, commonly known as MACD. Volume has decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which lowers the overall risk, as volume should typically align with price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal 16 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 142 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 5 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 5 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 8 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 6 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 74 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 64 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for SOXL. On the downside, the exchange-traded fund finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $27.89 and $26.22. There is a natural risk involved when an exchange-traded fund is testing a support level, as a break below this level may lead to a decline to the next support level. In this instance, SOXL finds support just below today's level at $27.89. If this level is breached, the subsequent support from accumulated volume will be at $26.22 and $25.96. This exchange-traded fund may experience significant fluctuations during the day, indicating high volatility, and with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is considered to be high risk. Over the last day, the exchange-traded fund moved $1.66 between its high and low, or 5.53%. For the past week, the exchange-traded fund has exhibited an average daily volatility of 7.71%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SOXL. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for SOXL is at $34.96. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, SOXL faces its first support level at $27.89. If this support level remains intact, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a potential rebound. We have a negative evaluation for this exchange-traded fund, and no stop loss has been established. Is the SOXL ETF a good investment opportunity? Currently, the SOXL ETF exhibits several negative indicators. Despite a positive trend, we anticipate that SOXL will likely underperform in the coming days or weeks. Thus, our assessment of this ETF is unfavorable. Upon reviewing the volatility and trading patterns from the last session, our analysis suggests that the current price is undervalued. Looking ahead to trading on Tuesday, the 5th of November, we predict that SOXL will open with an increase of approximately 32 cents and begin trading at $30.68. We want to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss, and it is essential to consult with a financial advisor before making any purchases or sales of securities. Your investment decisions should not rely solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day with warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.